Let's review the advanced 4th generation 3D pen from JER RP800A. There is a menu, a filament pack, an adapter, a plastic tube, and a 3D pen in the package. RP800A is the world's first 3D pen that has an OLED screen which displays brand name, filament type, temperature, and so on. Stepless speed control helps you to adjust to the speed that's just right for you. Automatic loading and unloading, one click to switch filament type, make it easier for you when drawing. Just like the RP600A from the same generation, the body of RP800A is very slim, with 2 temperature adjustment buttons and an OLED screen. Switching filaments is made easier. Watch the following for a demo.